My name is Alfredo Muñiz, and I study electrical engineering and robotics.
And I'm Sharday Oba, and I study mechanical engineering and robotics. Alfredo and I are working on Exceed, which is a company that is focusing on improving physical therapy for those with Parkinson's disease.
It's a network of wearables that patients wear throughout the day, and their physical therapist is able to monitor their activity in between their therapy sessions.
Patients can take this information and figure out exactly how they need to adjust their everyday activities to improve their everyday life. And what we want our patients to feel is that they can exceed the limitations that Parkinson's imposes on them every single day.
Parkinson's disease is a neuroprogressive illness. It is growing in terms of incidence. There are about 6 to 7 million people worldwide with Parkinson's disease. There is no cure. Therapeutic intervention, exercise, can truly delay disease progression. So to give a person who has a progressive illness some sense of control that they can truly slow this disease is a very exciting thing for us.
So there's two main parts to Exceed. There's the actual wearable device, and then there's the software application used on any smart device.
The insight was using a set of accelerometers basically attached to 1, 2, 3, or 4 limbs as a way to measure people moving. And it allows the physical therapist to try to help the patient most effectively.
All this data is stored on the cloud to provide easy access to physicians, patients, therapists, as well as family members.
From our perspective, it gives us a way to truly delay the disease progression and for us to still have a role and a presence even when we're not physically there.
The President's Innovation Prize is going to enable us to complete our market testing. This is how we figure out how Exceed's algorithms can be modified to target their problem areas, as well as fine-tune our software and hardware development for Mark III prototype.
And that's where we'll start beta testing, where we'll be able to bring Exceed to the people that need it the most.
Anywhere they go, Sharday and Alfredo are going to put technological advances to use to make a real difference in people's lives.
I have had very few students in my 27 years at Penn as inventive as Sharday and Alfredo. They are just tremendous.
Exceed doesn't want to stop with Parkinson's disease. We want to be able to go into every neurological movement disorder, as well as rehabilitation.
We can see that this is just a seed that's being planted, and it's going to grow tremendously from here.